Okay, this video was shot on Saturday, the 1st of September at Pinheads, and this is the first time I ever saw Emma, and this is her second shot in one of the frames. And you notice it's basically a strike shot. She's doing a lot of things that I really like here. If you'll notice, she has a very nice, uh, that 730 ending of her right foot. She's very solid at the line. I want you to notice a couple of things. I'm going to draw a line here. Okay, there's her foot, and I'm going to back the ball up, and I'd like you to notice where the ball is. You notice it's quite a ways away from her body. Uh, it didn't start there, and but if we go back to the very start of the shot, she's got a really nice setup position. She's got a very nice angle to her body. The ball is in the correct position. There's just a couple of things that I think that we can do that'll allow her to help deliver the ball a little bit more online. I'm going to stop this right about now. Okay, I want you to watch her feet as she goes through this. Let's just talk about her feet. Her feet she has a very nice crossover step. Watch that, right one in front of the other. Good timing of the feet and excellent balance at the line. So there's a lot of really good things that are going on here. I'm going to start it again, and I'm going to slow it way down. Okay, there's step one. I want you to watch the ball. I'm going to put a little circle around the ball. Watch the path of the ball and the timing. Notice when it starts to move. Okay, she's on her second step, and right there's where the ball starts to drop down. I'm going to put another circle over the ball, but notice where her foot is. She's starting her left foot forward. It's already passing her as the ball is starting to move down. Okay, it passes her body actually when she's already started her her right foot forward. Notice the path of the ball. The path of the ball gets right up to here. And it's well behind her. If you notice that, it might be a little too far. You notice it has swung down and around her back, and then as it starts down, you notice the path of the ball starts to go. It has to go around her body to get past her, and is being released way outside her headline. If you notice, I'm going to put a red circle over her head if I can, and it's directly down from that spot is where we would like to have the ball being released. Now you notice the ball was there at one time, but with the ball being out here, you notice, and if you'll watch her the movement of her arm, she finishes with that elbow way out to the right. What she's trying to do is come around the ball and bring it back to the left, because the path is it's not in a vertical motion, forward, down, but down at the start of the backswing and straight through. That path is not vertical. It's going around her body, and that's what causing some of the inability to apply the right kind of hook on that. And I'll talk about a couple of things that maybe we can do that'll help this. Okay, here she's starting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good timing with her feet. The problem is that the ball is moving way too late. We need to try to attach that as soon as she moves her left foot on that first movement of her left foot, I'd like her right elbow to start moving forward at that point, so that when she gets to her crossover step right there, Let me back it up a little bit. As soon as that foot hits down, it would be nice if the ball was actually down in this area on a 45-degree angle from her body, so that she could, what that'll do is it'll allow her body to get out of the way a little easier. It'll get that hip out of the way so that the ball can go by with the right hip forward and out of the way. Because see, right now, because her right leg is going forward as the ball is passing her, you notice that the line from her hand, whoops, wrong thing, didn't want to do that. You notice here's where this is. We'd like that to be straight down. That would allow it to drop and go straight back behind her, and then gravity started going straight forward. But all in all, she's got really good athleticism. I like the fire that she's got, the competitiveness, and she is really going to be a fine bowler. I have no doubt in that.